second series of Let's Start Playing the Piano. In first series, you've learned basics in 31 days. Now is the time you move to next step. Enjoy playing the music with the image. I'm hoping this series helps you to play more music and makes you happy to play music. Thank you. Before you play the music, I'd like to introduce two exercise pieces. This is the sheet music. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. Start from C. Put your both hands on C and G. We go to C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Move both hands on G and D. Start from G. A, B, C, D. Come down from D to G. C, B, A, G. And move your both hands on C and G. Start from G. F, E, D, C. This is the sheet music. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. We start from C. C, E, G. We skip the note. C, E, G. Move to D. F, A. Move to E. G, B. Move to F. From C to A, F, move back to B, G, E, A, F, D, G, E, C. Now is the time to play the music. The first music is Candies. This is the sheet music. Let's start reading the note from right hand. First line. C, E, G, G. C, E, G, G. F, G, F, E, D. Second line. C, E, G, G. C, E, G, G. E, F, E, D, C. Left hand first line. C, C, G, G. Second line. C, C, G, C. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. Let's play this music. You put both hands on C and G. Right hand C, E, G, G. Repeat again C, E, G, G. Left hand move to G, right hand F, G, F, E. Right hand D, left hand D, G. Second line C, E, G, G, C, E, G, G. Left hand G, right hand E. F